Oh, good.
Turn to the right. So yeah, so this guy.
Oh, this shit right here.
Yep. Yeah.
Damn.
That's tight in there, man. Look straight ahead. Yeah. You take that shoulder. Right, a little tight. And just relax. I'm just gonna open up that joint a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I felt
See your hand jumping?
really tight. Is that me?
Your hand's jumping.
Not you?
No, man, that's your hand jumping. Here we go. You don't see that? Let's try the other side. See if we can open that up a little bit. See how that feels. Tight?
Yeah,
Feel it tight in there? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Good. Good. Cool. Take this arm just like that for a second. All right, let's go see if we can pull it back, pull the elbow back, and relax. Let's try the other side. Let's see. Pull it back. That was easy. Try this side one more time. Back and relax. Now that's jammed out. Yeah, a little jammed up. And drop your arm to see if we can do this a little bit differently. Like that. Does that hurt?
No.
You okay? Good.
Mm-hmm.
Again. Good. Just want to bring it like this. Push against my hand. Any pain with that?
Move back. Oh, this part right here.
Yeah, that's what we're going to work on right now. So, you're going to go up and down. Up and down. Up. Like that. Like almost like a military press. You still doing, still working out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I haven't done Muay Thai at all.
No?
It's just been just straight working out.
Cool.
Yeah, we wake up at like 5 in the morning, go to the gym,
Oh, cool.
and we keep each other accountable by saying, or calling each other, you know, if we
That's
don't,
it.
If we don't wake up. There's like 6 of us.
Cool.
I'm looking for a gym out there to
Yeah?
do jiu-jitsu. And
I'm sure they have them.
Ah.
Yep, I'm sure they have it. Yeah, let's really get that line. Good. Good. Relax. Bring it across. And pull it in a little bit. Good. Again, like this. Let it drop again. Let it drop. Relax. Good. Good. There we go. A little bit better.
Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah. Your lat is really tight also.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. I don't know why. You dislocated it?
Yeah, it was a
Yeah,
while back.
long time
It was
ago?
like, was it like 2 years ago?
Crazy. Gotta find out what that melting was. That melting.
Barefoot
technique.
rehab, that's what it's called. It's something
Yeah.
in Halden. I think it's Halden, North
yeah?
Halden. Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Interesting. Never heard of that.
They don't do anything chiropractic though.
No?
No.
Just relax. We'll try to get the middle part of your back to move. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Rotate left and just relax.
Oh.
That's what we wanted. Hold on a second. Okay, breathe in real deep. All the way out. Just let it go. Good. Excellent. Relax your hands. And then feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Cool. Just want you to slide back a little bit. Try to get that upper back. Just slide back. Just slide back. Yeah, sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. And sit back, sit back. Right there is cool. Cool. All right. Cross these arms one more time, like this. And I'm gonna try to get the upper back. Head's gonna come down. Just want you to breathe in really deep. Lean back. Breathe out. Let it go. Good. That's it. Cool. Excellent. Come only face down on the table if you can. All right?
Mm-hmm. Like this side?
Yeah, we'll go on face down. So we gotta get your dad out to Sarasota.
Man.
I thought what happens is you get to a certain age and like the Florida police come and get you. I always thought, man.
Apparently my dad's been hiding, so.
Right.
Yeah, he does not want to leave.
Well, some people don't like that. My dad's the same way. He would never leave. He's too comfortable.
He wants to buy his brother's house out in Puerto Rico, and he doesn't even want to live there yet. I'm like, what is going on?
It's every Puerto Rican's dream. Go back to Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It is.
Yeah, man.
He just doesn't like the hurricanes. He keeps complaining about hurricanes and storms and all that. I'm like,
Yeah, well, they get him. They get him.
yeah.
You know, but well, they can always go to the DR. They don't get as many hurricanes.
Or when you get, I mean, when you get, like, you know that it's coming, then you just fly
Yeah.
out.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then again, I've never been in a hurricane that bad. It's like,
Well, you'll get them down in Florida, I'm sure.
yeah, for sure.
Right?
Yeah.
I think hurricane season is September. Yeah, I think it's September. Do me a favor, just raise this leg a little bit.
Okay.
And come right back down. Cool. Right there. Right there, the side joint. Get a little tap. Good. Raise it one more time. And back down. Excellent. Good. That's good. Same thing here. Raise this side again. This side. And right back down. Good. A little stiff in there. Raise it again. And right back down. Nice, nice. Just relax here. Awesome. Move over to Florida, you're gonna have to get yourself a convertible. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's the plan.
That is the plan. That's part of the year. That's part of the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except I got a little old. I pretty much got my dad's car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, just relax a little bit. I'm gonna lean you to the side. Just gonna go like that. And just a little bit more. Let it go. Good, good. I'm gonna go right on the other side as well. And just relax inside here again. A little bit more. Just gonna stretch a little bit. Good. Left. Come back here. Good. Cool. Just bend that leg. Right side there. Excellent. A little closer. Yes. And just relax. Just gonna let your hips just roll forward. Nice. Good. Turn to the side, please. Turn your bit. Right side there. Bend this leg. Good. Good. Some people just don't know how good things are until they try. Good. Real deep. All the way out. Just relax a little bit. Good. Come lay on your back. Lay on your back, face up, bend your knees. Cool. Just like that.
You said some people don't know it.
Some people don't realize how good things are sometimes until they try it. So you might have to drag your dad down there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Squeeze real hard. Good. Separate. Good. Why don't we squeeze again?
He finds ways to make things look his perspective of things that might not be the best.
Well, yeah. I mean,
He'll find whatever to say, I don't like this.
Yeah, I know that.
Hey,
Trust
it's
me.
alright.
I know that. Trust me, I know that. All right? I realize that. Good. And just relax and stretch out that hamstring a little bit. Good. Good.
Oof.
Yeah, a little tight inside there.
But yeah, I'll definitely get him out there and at least get him to see different parts.
Yeah, you just gotta get him out there, drive him around, let him feel the
My
sun.
mom wants to move. She's like, yeah, like take me with you.
Well, there we go. Good. And just relax here. Just let it drop. Good. Good. Just relax in here. Let it drop. Yeah, sometimes new environments scare older people, you know. But just gotta let him get him out there, let the sun hit his face a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Bring him when it's cold here. That's usually a good thing. Good. Slide back up. Awesome. Something about cold weather here, you know, compared to summertime in another, you know, in another state, is very convincing.
Yeah.
And
Well, here in New York, it's freaking. Yeah, I don't care for this girl. I don't
Yeah,
care
we had
for
a
this
long
girl.
winter. We had a long winter. We had a long winter.
Out to the beach a lot.
Yeah.
Out to the, there's a boat.
Nice.
We end up going out there.
Nice.
Part
What
of
beach
the
you go to?
boat
St.
club.
Pete?
Yeah, it's in St. Pete,
Mm-hmm.
but they actually work out of the boat, so
So it's a business expense.
yeah.
That's nice.
But it's only $400 to be part of the boat club.
Boat
and
club,
you
right?
can rent it out for the whole day.
That's amazing. That's nice.
So I'm like, shit, I might do that.
Really?
Yeah. It's cool, I mean.
Like join the boat club, you mean?
Yeah, why not?
Absolutely. Yeah, and then you get to whatchamacallit, go on any boat that you want. I've seen those things. Good. Just like relax. Just want to stretch out the shoulder. Good. It's a tight trap.
Yeah.
Good. Just relax.
Yeah, I haven't come here in how long? I don't know. It's been like 4 months.
4 months? Yeah, it's been a while. Good. Good. Almost done. Get a little clicking in there. Good.
Is there anything I can do about the clicking?
You know-
I mean, I have it on both sides.
Yeah, I know.
I hear it all the time.
So before you lift, right? So
Yeah.
before you lift, regardless of whether you're doing chest or whether you're doing shoulders, regardless of whatever you're doing, I would take a 5-pound weight,
Mhm.
hold it just like this with your elbow at 90 degrees, and I would just basically do this with a dumbbell, right? That would be the first thing that I would do, right?
Okay.
And then I would do is I would take a maybe like a 25, 35-pound plate, and I would just basically take it, do circles with the plate over your head, in a circle with your plate. Properly warms up the front and the back of the shoulders. Sometimes the clicking occurs because you've got stronger ligaments on the front than you do on the back,
Yeah.
and it's an uneven pull, and it messes up the whole cavity.
Yeah, I gotta work on my back more.
So the best thing you can do for your back is a weighted chin-up. A weighted chin-up. So, and if you've got problems with your shoulders, then you want to take, then when you do chin-ups, you want to do a hammer grip instead of a like that or like that.
Okay.
You do a hammer grip when you got problems with your shoulders. Not many people can do chin-ups.
Not too many?
Not many people can do chin-ups. But the best way to explode your back and get strength and growth is to, in definition, is a weighted chin-up.
Yeah.
Jules, you can do a chin-up. Right?
I can, yeah.
You can do a chin-up. How many chin-ups you got?
5.
Nice.
Yipes!
Should be me.
Yipes! 5. Nice. All right. That's nice and easy. Good. Let's just stretch nice and easy. Good. Okay, just relax a little more.
Oh,
Good, good.
oh.
Yeah.
That's really tight.
Yes, it was. Yeah, it was. Just breathe nice and easy. All set for the next one?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's get that next one. Right there. That's nice and easy. Good. Just gonna stretch a little bit. Open it up.
been more prepared for that.
I think you were. Breathe it for me really deep. Let it go. Good. Good. Nice. Much better. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.